What up, guys? What up? What up? What up? Want to do a little vlog of me doing the air conditioner, putting it back together. How you guys is doing this morning? Hope everything's going good. This is probably the hardest part. For me it is probably. That's so. On these. Let me see if I can show you guys. So you want to make sure all this is stuck in here. I'll show you guys. I'll show you later, okay? But yeah. There's one. I got a couple more to do. Two more. Safety glasses for getting your eyes. It ain't the best, but this is my DIY of me doing my air conditioner, or our air conditioner, Ty's air conditioner, however you guys want to call it. I already did the top. I'm trying to get this done and knocked out of before I go, so I can go in and get some wood. So I can go in before it gets hotter. Hey, Nini! Go inside or what? Come on, son. Come on. I'll show you guys another way that my cousin, he taught me how to do it. Take the stick off the other one. So see up here, you want to get this. And try to stick it under here. Right here is where the holes are, see? So the water can go through. Right here. I want to get this and try to tuck it under there so when the pump is on, it's going straight to the pads, not to the metal. Because when I was doing my cousin's, or when my cousin was doing his, I learned a lot from him. He's a handyman. But yeah, when I was watching him or learning, well, he likes to teach me a lot of things. So when he teaches me, I take in, because like I'm using it now, you know. But yeah. And this is kind of bigger than normal just because this is the only size it had. So yeah, I just stuffed that in there. And it's gonna go through on the other side. See? So when it drips in here. Then I'll show you another thing later. Let me finish these real quick. I still I cleaned out the whole air conditioner, everything this morning. Yeah, I cleaned it out this morning. Ay, carajo, that son of a son. Yeah, I started early this morning. Just like so. These are the pads are only 13 bucks at Simon's, I think. And those are 29 by 29. They're 29 by 29. They came up to 13 bucks. $13, we'll see. Whew. Hold on. Whew. After I make some money off of some YouTube, hopefully, you know, see how things go, you know. If buy an air conditioner. A new one. Yeehaw! But I'm happy for what is offered right now. You know, there's people out there that have it harder than us. Harder than me. Harder than a lot of people. You know, some people don't even have air conditioner. Hey, go get my other hat. Hold on. Let me turn on the water so I can give the dog some water real quick. And the last one. I know you guys hear a lot of machines in the background. They're building some homes back there. So like again, I stuffed it all in here. So hold on real quick. One more time, guys. Let me pause you real quick, okay? Hold on. Okay, sorry guys. Let's see right here. I was gonna tell you guys. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay. Well, here are these holes. See these holes? Right here. See these holes? Right here. My cousin taught me this. See, your pads may not be getting wet sometimes, or it just feels like it's not cool. What you can do is just open them up a little bit more. Open the holes up a little bit more so the water can flow through. I already did it to all of them last year, so they're pretty good. That's all. That's all, folks. So what I'm gonna do now, hold on one second. So I'm gonna finish these up and then get the air conditioner going. I need to go inside and get it cleared out. See, here it is. Got it all cleaned up as much as I can, the best way I can. You know, to seal some things up, get it going, and then go from there. But y'all have a good day. You know, stay cool, stay fresh, and you know, this little trick that I want to show you about opening the air conditioner things so your pads can get really wet or soaked or whatever. That's what I wanted to give you guys that tip. You know what I mean? Give you guys that tip. The little tip I did was that right here underneath the hoses, right here. What I did was they weren't holding on. So what I did is I got some zip ties. I zip tied them all the way around so they don't move. So, you know, zip tie the wire together. Get it, you know, all, you know what I mean? This morning I did this part. Right here, screwed this. Screwed the bottom. But yeah, that's one of the things that I wanted to do is let you guys know how to just open your things. Because, you know, the water will flow through a little bit quicker and clearer. Make sure it's cleaned out. You know, that's what the more, because when you get those things, they're not as open as wide. They're open, maybe they're not even open. They're barely like that. So what I did is I opened up a little bit more. Opened them a little bit more so you can have that flow. So maybe I'll drop another video when I get the air conditioner going and the pump going and you'll see it. If you can, if not. So y'all have a good day. Peace, 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 y'all.